This is the story of how I almost quit my business right before our first big break. In 2019, we were still super small. I decided to make a trip home to New Zealand to see my family and to consider if I should even keep going with Subtl. Since our order volume was so small, it was fairly manageable for my husband to fill orders while I was away. After 3 weeks, I was headed back home to Pittsburgh. Now, the first leg of the flight was roughly 13 hours, and when I left New Zealand, everything was fine. That is, until I landed with 20 panicked text messages, all time-stamped from about an hour into my trip. We were getting flooded with orders, and I had no idea where they were coming from. It wasn't until several days later when I realized Beauty Insider had posted a 20-minute video review of the Subtl Beauty stacks. I was in absolute tears. When I left New Zealand, I had all but given up on Subtl Beauty. That video was the beginning of exponential growth for Subtl. It just goes to show you that you should never give up on your dream.